Hi guys, welcome to a Minecraft mod showcase. So today I'm going to show you my new world. That's why I didn't use the screen recorder, because this computer cannot connect and upload. Yeah, so that's why I didn't use the. And finally I have installed the 1.8. Why I deleted the last video? Because I see I built in 1.8, and then I opened in 1.8 5.2. It crashed and I deleted that one. So this is the second my new world. Just loading single player. I'm gonna check out the houses and stuff, because this is a mod showcase. Too many items. Okay, just ignore that. Okay, so let me just see. There's too many items in here. So let me just load the secret tools. Go. Look at this. You won't believe this power. Look at that. Look at the power. So good. Look at this power. Look at this power. Look at this power. Look at this shovel. Look at this shovel revolving Mark 2 and Mark 1. And then there's the more powerful. What? Sorry about that. I'm gonna loading the screen back. I'll make you. Okay, so in case you missed it, I'm gonna go back and show all my good stuff. I use this custom enchanting. Okay, I use this custom. Why my skin is like this? I don't know. Enchanting, you can get any sword. Let me show you. So you can just go that. You still get the sword, which is cool. And you can just top like 1 to 7 is the maximum. Let me just a little bit here. Okay. Let me just. Oh. Where? Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so the maximum is 1 to 7. See? So I have the all enchantment, and look at that. Bit off the wall, 1 to 7. Fire aspect, 1 to 7. Knockback, 1 to 7. Looting, 1 to 7. Sharpness, 1 to 7. Smite, 1 to 7. Unbreaking, 1 to 7. Look at that. 1 plus 1, 65.75 attack damage. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How cool is that? How powerful is too many items? Enough item, I know you can get the recipes, but this is still good. That one I applied. And then I'm gonna show you. See, there's slime block. I'm gonna show you my world. I'm not gonna touch this, but look how powerful is my most powerful sword. Yeah, I just show my armor. Look at my armor. look at that. Oh, why did I throw that? Come back. There they go. Get it up. Look how good. And when ghosts or creeper touch me, they get killed because there's. Okay, I'm gonna show you my fridge again. Look at that. Look at that raw beef. Got cooked chicken and what? There is cooked rabbit. Good. Good furnace and this one. How quick? That might be tasty. Juicy. Chicken. This is my secret room. Which, if you click on here, just click on. Oh, okay, I missed it. What to do is get off of here. So no one. Oh, okay. So you must go down. I missed it. Man. Okay, so let's try again. I missed it again. So if you do that, I'm gonna know you're crafting. Should have full, but it's not. Okay. So why do I? Okay, done. Like this, golden apple, a golden apple. And you can pick up even when you're in survival mode. Just kick. Look at that. You can just cheat in Minecraft like that. A new cool thing, all stuff. Minecraft command block. You have fireworks. You have Ender Dragon egg. You have mushroom. Not like this, not this mushroom. You got barrier, you got map, unknown map. So, okay, so you have falling sand spawner, you have boat spawner, creeper spawner. Just ignore that. If you click on it, they teleport, but I'm not. The secret hidden chest underneath. There is my armor, and if you use the potion of power, you get a lot of health. So one trick and glitches in Minecraft, if you jump on flower pots, here you can jump on fences, like this. As you see right here, if I don't use the flower pot, you cannot get this. But if you stand on the flower pot, look at that, awesome. I'm gonna show you my lighthouse. It's kind of laggy, but I'm gonna show you. This is a revolving lighthouse. If you want, check out. Links in the description down below. So this is my castle gate. Yeah, I'm not sure I'll lock it or not. Because you have a lock, it's just easy. Just leave it, piston and repeater. I lock it. There you go. You don't lock it, you can open it. I'll just lock later. You can close from here, you can open from here. You can close from here too. Then and if you just shut it, lock it, like that. If you go to the front and it doesn't work because the redstone stick block off with block. See? Why there are many mobs? Because I use this Conga machine. Conga. Why does money steals? Ooh, rabbit, banana, boo. So that's how I want to show you, but I don't find it. I'm gonna show you tornado chicken. So let me just quickly get glass block. Here I'm gonna show you tornado chicken. This is awesome. Let me just show you. So let's get all. Okay, let me just get some ocelots. Hey guys, I'm back. And I want to create another bookmark. Here, I'm gonna end the video. Create it. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna place that right there. Then another brick. It's an item frame. It's a map right here. And I'm done. Do bookmark. And you can find this one is the bookmark. Yes. I'll see you all next time. Derp, 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 derp. See you all.